In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to move a personal Facebook ad account to your business manager. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website business.facebook.com/settings. If you haven't set up a business manager yet, Facebook will guide you through the steps to create one. Once inside business settings, look at the top left corner where you will find drop-down menu listing different accounts. Click the arrow and look for your personal ad account. If you don't see it, you can navigate to this one website business.facebook.com/adsmanager and log in with your personal account. Next, you will need your ad account ID. To find it, check the URL bar in Ads Manager. Look for the section that says account followed by a 16-digit number. That number is your ad account ID, so go ahead and copy it. Then return to business settings, select ad accounts from the left-hand menu, click add and choose request access to add an ad account. Paste your 16-digit ad account ID into the box and click confirm. In many cases, you will gain access to your ad account right away. However, if you don't, check the email associated with your personal ad account and approve the access request there. Once that's done, you have successfully moved your personal Facebook ad account into your business manager. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.